Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are given A, B, C as three group elements, right? And the order of A is given to be 6. So we are given the order of A as 6. So it would mean that A raised to power 6 is equals to the identity element of the group, right? And what we are given? And we are given that the order of B is 7. So what does it imply? It implies that when you take B to the power 7, you would get the identity element of this group, where let me write down where this E is the identity element, correct? So if this is the identity element, they are asking to us in the question that we need to express this expression without using negative exponents, right? So we first of all consider this thing. We consider A raised to power 4, C raised to power minus 2, B raised to power 4, whole raised to power minus 1. Now what you can do, you can use the socks and shoe property, right? So it would be the reversal. In other words, you can say that it is the reversal law. B raised to power 4 raised to power minus 1, C raised to power minus 2 whole raised to power minus 1, and A raised to power 4 whole raised to power minus 1. Why? Because as AB whole inverse, this is equal to B inverse A inverse, correct? This is the thing. So from here you can simplify the powers. You can write it like this: B raised to power minus 4, you can write it like this: C raised to power 2, and you can write it like this: A raised to power minus 4. Why? Because you know A raised to power M raised to power N, this is equal to A raised to power Mn, this is further equal to A raised to power M raised to power N. This is according to the exponent law. Now there is no issue, we can write one identity element here and here also as well, correct? Right, there is no issue. Now because you know your B raised to power 7 is E and A raised to power 6 is E, so therefore in place of the first identity element E, you can write it like this: B raised to power 7, right? All the other elements as such, and in place of the second E, you can now write A raised to power 6, right? Using this given condition of the order of the element, correct? So using these two conditions here, we can simplify the powers. It would become 7 minus 4, it would become C square, and it would be minus 4 plus 6, right? So why this is so? Because A raised to power M into A raised to power N, this is equal to A raised to power M plus N, correct? So using this thing here, B raised to power, it becomes B raised to power 3, C raised to power 2, and A raised to power 2. And this is what we are required in this question. We have expressed this identity, thus A raised to power 4, C raised to power minus 2, B raised to power 4, whole raised to power minus 1 could now be written as B cube, A square, and C square and A square in the terms. Thus this is equal to this, which is expressed in the positive expression, exponent form, which is an expression in positive exponents, and this is what was required in our question. So I hope you understood this question well. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching.